Thank you guys for coming back to Jean Loves Plants. You know, I love to know that you guys are here. It makes me feel warm and fuzzy. Before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. You know the drill. So that lovely lush green carpet that you saw is Stonecrop. It's a form of sedum, and it's usually used for ground cover. But this year we're going to put it into bowls. And the soil that you see me using is nothing special. It's just two different types of soil. One retains moisture and the other one has nutrients just to help the sedum grow. But because it is a Stonecrop, it doesn't need a lot of nutrients to actually thrive. So I just gave that a good mix. Now, what I love about this Stonecrop right here is that I'm going to use every single piece except for the plastic tray. It comes with this netting at the bottom, and that's just what it comes with. But what you saw me do just a couple seconds ago was use the bottom of that to actually kind of cover up that. There's a drainage hole in there. Cover that up so that none of the silt comes through. And I'm just going to use this as efficiently as possible. I learned this where I went, and it's something that I'll use from now on. So those rectangular pieces, I will just cut those into thirds, and those little rectangles that are left, I just do a zigzag pie type thing, and that's what I use to fill in the spaces. Because the Stonecrop is going to root, it's going to take hold, and those little spaces that you see are going to fill in. You'll see that at the end of the video. It fills in quite nicely, and it only takes about a week or two. So whenever you're doing displays, you just want to make sure that you check it once, twice, 3 times, whatever makes you feel good, so that project is going to be the best that it is. I just wanted to show you this too. This is just an example of 2. I did about 20 bowls, but these were the most interesting to me. And as you can see, I'm not so concerned with filling in all of the negative space. That'll grow in. I just want to make sure that the presentation looks nice enough so that I can display them. So in these first few images, me being a goofball, I love a camera. This is just when I first put them out. So they are a little bit bare, but you'll see they grow in quite nicely. So this is about 2 weeks later, and you see it grows in really, really nicely. You can trim it back or you can let it grow wild. I tend to like my pieces to grow wild and organically like they would in nature. But this is a great idea for your outdoor spaces. It doesn't require a lot of care, and it'll be lush throughout the season, and it's inexpensive. So like always, that's the video. I'm super happy that you guys made a conscious choice to sit with me for a few minutes. I hope you learned something, and I hope you come back. Until then, have a great week, guys.